I have a crazy idea, and my idea is I'm as a person that saved a good bit amount of money throughout my life, right? And it's not because like I made a lot of money so I was able to save a few. Like I literally only have enough just to like pay my bills in like for the next you know however long this darn pandemic lasts. And so I am dirt poor, right? But the thing is, I'm wondering like the concept of just due to the rapid amount of like you know inflation or whatever it is, and also prices just going up in general due to overwhelming amount of demand. Prices just keep going up, and I feel like I feel like the concept of back in the day where it's like they say save your money. I almost think it is terrible information. Like obviously I'm not a trained financial advisor or whatever it is. Like I'm not a financial advisor. It's I think the concept of just putting money aside, like let's say in the bank, a regular account in the bank, it's just not gonna keep up with you know purchasing power and just overall things in demand going up in prices. Like things like phones are going up in prices. um Regular other electronics are going up in prices. um my friend who wanted a full-on high-spec PC, we realized quickly that graphics cards and CPUs and motherboards and even power supply, every single thing is going up in prices, man. Like even food, they can't even let us eat. We can't even eat in peace. They're even having like food prices skyrocket, my dude. Like, and the concept of putting your money aside, let it rest, let it sit for a long extended period of time, unless that is growing at like a 6, 7, 8% interest rate, it is nonsenseness. It is nonsenseness, in my humble opinion. I think I think you should get your money to start working for you. I think the fairy tale. I think at one point, I think it may have been true, and I think in theory, because it takes money to make money, so you kind of have to have money to then start something. I do understand that. That is where saving is good. You're saving it with the intent of using it for something more powerful rather than just you know, just to have it there. That in I guess, I like if you don't put like I'm gonna have it there while I'm like for old age or whatever. Like obviously you have to have your rainy day fund. Like that is not what I'm saying. Put the rainy day fund aside. You have your rainy day fund, which is 3 to 6 months of bills. That is fact, right? That is common sense, right? And obviously a lot of us are not in the position to even have the ability to put down 3 to 6 months of expenses, aside or whatever it is, like, a certain amount of money that can last you for 6 months, like where if you lose your job, like as we're in right now. that is not what I'm saying. I'm saying the concept of just putting your money into a regular bank account or putting it underneath your mattress. It's fool's gold and it's nonsense. I think we have to put money to work. I think we have to put it to work. And the thing is, like, you sit down and wonder, what should I put it on? I think that is what is sort of catching us, right? We don't know where to put our money at. We don't know how to put it to work. And we just listen to the olden time thing of just saying, oh, just put your money aside, sleep on it, and then one day you're gonna be a millionaire. That's not happening. I'm sorry. You're never going back to Kansas. You're never going back. I know you can click your heels all you want. Dorothy, lay it aside. You're never going back to Kansas, and we're never going back to the time where we can save money to become a millionaire. That is not happening. Or not just. I'm just saying the word millionaire as like a catchphrase. Like I was just saying, wealthy enough to be able to enjoy your life and enjoy your kids' lives and invest into your kids and like just overall a happy life, right? Financially free life. Putting money aside, as in the old regular days, the olden time days of saving money is gone. It's gone, and now we're just wondering what we should use the money for, how we should put it to work. And I have a couple ideas, and I don't know, I might share them with you guys. Like, just seeing what's happening in the world right now, a couple things are coming to me, and I'm just wondering what's the next move, sort of. But thank you guys so much for watching, and take care.